Hi children, welcome back with Miss Mila. Today we are going to make solar oven. Are you ready to make the solar oven? We are going to reuse our pizza box. Are you ready now? Yes, you are. These are the materials that we need to make the solar oven. Now I will try the biscuits. It's yummy. What happened with the chocolate? Let's find out together. The heat from the sun is trapped inside of your pizza box solar oven, and it starts getting very hot. Ovens like this one are called collector boxes because they collect the sunlight inside. As it sits out in the sun, your oven eventually heats up enough to melt the chocolate. How does it happen? Rays of light are coming to the earth, and the foil reflects the ray and bounces it directly into the opening of the box. Once it has gone through the plastic wrap, it heats up the air that is trapped inside. The black paper absorbs the heat at the bottom, of the oven. And the newspaper makes sure that the heat stays where it is, instead of escaping out the sides of the oven. So that's why the chocolate melted. Now let's make your solar oven at home, children. Happy trying!